Welcome to Getting Started, Part 2 for students. Now that you know the base navigation, I would like to take you into a course. From the Courses tab, I click on the course name. Your course might look different from mine, depending on what your professor has made available to you, but every e-learning course has the same layout. On the right is the content page. On the left is the course menu. Pretty standard course menu links include announcements and the course homepage. All of the announcements that your professor posts will appear on the announcements page. But your instructor can, to organize content by type, make the discussion boards, my grades, assignments, quizzes, and tests active. Your instructor could also use folders in a content area. So be sure to review the course information that can appear in the course homepage, like the professor introduction and the semester syllabus. The course homepage can also house assignments, handouts, video lectures, and PowerPoints. Now I want to show you how to submit an assignment. So I select the assignment's menu link and see an assignment with instructions. When I click on the assignment's name, at the top you see the assignment information with the name of the assignment and the instructions from the previous link, the due date, and total points possible. Scrolling down, I can copy and paste using the command
Create submission.
to post my assignment.
However, they usually select Upload Files.
To attach a file. When I select Browse Local Files, I can browse my computer for the correct document, click on the file, select Open to select the document. At the bottom of my page, I have the option to cancel, save draft, or submit. If you save the assignment as a draft, your instructor does not have access, and you will have to follow a slightly different set of steps to submit drafted work. Here, my file is ready for upload, so I click Submit. Now that eLearning has my file, I have a confirmation number. And although eLearning will email me this confirmation number, it is a good idea to copy and paste this number onto a different file as a backup. Once I have reviewed my submission, I can scroll down, select OK, to return to the original page with my assignment link. Now, I would like to take a closer look at tests and quizzes by selecting the link Quizzes and Tests. And when I select the quiz link, I can see the test instructions that includes a time limit and a set number of attempts, as well as additional information such as course completion and the ability to save the test and resume later. I'll go ahead and select Begin. At the top of the screen, I see the timer and how many questions I have to answer. Now, I will take the quiz. Note that each question you answer gets automatically saved. Once I have finished, I can click on the Save and Submit button. And, if prompted, select OK to complete the test submission in order to see the test submission page, where I see started and submitted a quiz, along with the amount of time I spent. When I click OK to review what I submitted, what I see depends on what the instructor allows. Perhaps your instructor will allow you to see the correct answer versus what you answered, or maybe only your score. Now, let me show you how to look at your grades by selecting the My Grades link. And now you see a list of all the grades that are currently visible. As you can see, I have a grade for homework 1. If I click on the grade, then it takes me to the file that I submitted and any instructor feedback. When I click OK, I am taken back to my grades. I can also see the quiz that I took earlier. And just like before, click on the name to review the test results, any additional comments, and other settings. Please note the grading area really depends on your instructor, because there's a chance they may not make all graded assignments available to you. When I look at the paper assignment that I submitted earlier, there is an exclamation mark instead of a grade. This means that the instructor has not graded this assignment. At this point, I would like to talk to you about some communication tools that may be available in your course. The first tool I'd like to talk to you about is the UT Dallas email tool. This tool allows your instructors and you to send emails to people in your class. And once that email is sent, it goes to your UT Dallas email account. So if this tool is available, make sure to check your email regularly. Another tool that can be used is Messages. The link for course messages can be found on your course menu link or inside your best navigation by selecting Messages, scrolling down your page to locate your course. And upon clicking on your course, you can see the Messages page that allows you to review your inbox and create new messages. Another tool that your instructor might use is the discussion board. Clicking on the course menu discussion board link takes you to the list of forums. And by clicking on a forum, you can see all the threads that other people are able to post and are able to make comments on them. So now that I've given you a full overview of e-learning, I just want to remind you again that this might not be exactly what your course looks like. So refer to your syllabus as it tells you how to navigate your course and how to communicate with your instructor and the rest of the class. So I'll go ahead and select the Close tab to return to my base navigation. Speaking of references, if you need any help, you can go back to the institution page, scroll down to the Student Center to select any of the popular links, such as Getting Started with E-Learning, Facts for Current Students, E-Learning Resources for Students, or the Library Distance Education Services. But you can select Show All to see a complete list of student online resources. Also, if you have a technical e-learning issue, then you can also use the 24-hour e-learning help desk number 866-588-3192 on the base navigation. This concludes our video. Please review our syllabus and contact your instructor or TA to ask questions about your actual course.